Okay, we're live with no charts.
We're live with no charts. This is what we
Okay.
see. This is what we see. This is what we got. Nothing.
Yeah,
We got nothing here. Nothing
absolutely
working.
nothing.
Here's top one. Share this tab instead. Here's top step.
Yeah, I'm cooked too, bro.
You're cooked too.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, I'm cooked. All right,
That's
so we could talk about. Let's get some people in here first, but we could definitely talk about. We could
my
definitely
top
talk
one is
about the boot
working.
camp.
Yeah, if your shit's working, you're probably fine. Just make sure you set a stop. Make sure you set your stop and take profits. Because the AWS thing it's not everyone it's affecting. So yeah, this is a bummer. It's not working. What up? Everyone's all excited too. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Damn. Both of our Project X aren't working. Don't matter
It's
to
not
the
looking too
broker.
good.
Don't matter to the broker. It's an AWS outage, I guess. Apparently.
Amazon says an issue which. Oh, so here you go. I'm gonna share my screen. All right. So this was at 9:30 this morning. So 2 minutes ago, Amazon Web Services says issue mitigated as sites hit by global internet outage. That's kind of scary. Like you don't want that to happen. A global internet outage? Ooh.
Yeah, it's big.
Amazon says an issue which affected its cloud computing services unit AWS is now fully mitigated. Okay. After being hit by an outage which disrupted several popular websites, apps across the world, including Snapchat, Facebook, Fortnite. It's crazy how they put Fortnite like along with that, bro. Fortnite is like a huge thing.
It's massive.
Yeah. So a rapid growing list of sites experienced issues according to Down Detector, which tracks internet disruptions. Cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase and AI firm Perplexity also reported disruptions. Global outage disrupts airline system. Ooh, people are in the air.
People in the air just falling out of it.
Oh God. Yeah, they heard from United Airlines and Delta Airlines. Damn, bro. It's crazy.
I'm surprised there's not a meme yet for it's called downdetector.com. Surprised that there's not a meme for like people with Down syndrome and they're like the head cover of Down Detector.
Yeah, like they're probably like they have Down syndrome with like an Inspector Gadget outfit or something.
Down
Like with
Detector.
with a magnifying glass.
Yeah.
Or the like little, you squint your eye and you hold the little glass right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know what that's called.
Oh man, I don't know. Yo, I think Apple's about to hit all-time highs right now. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
for sure. Last time I checked it gapped up pretty nice.
Yeah, and just pushed into this again. Let's see. At least I can put some screen going on. Lauren's going down. Oh god. Yeah, still not working. And keep refreshing it.
Yeah. A massive Amazon AWS outage temporarily brought down a significant number of popular internet sites, affecting banks, airlines, media delivery apps, and many other websites. AWS, Amazon. Bro, Amazon really did his big one with AWS, but Amazon owns a shit ton of companies, but only like three of them actually brings in majority of the revenue, which proves how bad of a monopoly it is because they don't even give a fuck about the other ones. They just want the space.
Yeah. Taylor said, any tips on getting top step to refund a big loss that happened this morning due to their site being down? Usually firms are pretty good about this. It's a good question. I mean, I don't have any tips on it. It's just like it's totally up to the firm's discretion. Enough people complain about it, they'll probably do what's right. It's kind of just how it works usually. But yeah, TOS is working. Think or swim, old school.
Trading View is working.
Trading View is working. Other than that, just chilling
Again,
like a villain.
Apple is working for sure.
Apple's working.
Mhm.
I want this thing just to fucking go, dude. Basically, all 3 of my leaps have earnings next week that I currently have
The
exposure
moment of
to.
truth.
I currently have exposure to. Ooh, the short-term Apple plays up fat this morning. Holy shit. 60%. Banks on watch. Yep, we do got earnings this week. Got some earnings doing their thing. Earnings doing the dude.
My internet
Wow.
is kind of slow.
Is it? I really wonder if I'm gonna remove you and put this Apple up, at least get some charts going. Thinkorswim's working.
Looks like so you're trading options today?
No, I'm just no.
No.
Think me and you will just chill here for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. You guys can just chat with us, but I mean, if nothing shows up for me by like, I don't know, next 20 minutes, just whatever. It's not working anymore. It might be a no trade day. Yeah, it's a forced
Yeah.
no trade day.
I mean,
Anyway,
no news.
we can watch Apple together, maybe hit all-time highs.
Yeah.
Super close here.
I'm let me know when it does. I'm gonna take you down for a second, unless it's
Yeah,
about to right
take,
now.
no, it's not. Take me now.
Uh,
Put up whatever.
all right. So look, everybody. Look at what I'm looking at.
Yep.
So Futures Boot Camp, right? ASFX Futures Boot Camp. I'm very particular and I critique shit. That's what I do. I am not easily impressed. But let me tell you, in May, when I went to this boot camp, like I tell everybody, I actually gave my phone number out. Like that's how to like 3 or 4 people. I literally gave my personal phone number out. I really think that everybody that is watching this stream needs to go and come with us to Tampa to join us with this educational boot camp. Not even just educational, it's just also like meeting new people. I think it's a great because even when we went to the Tom Hugard thing in LA, bro, like
Mhm.
it was like 80% networking and then like 20% like educational for the most part, where
Yeah.
this is like 50-50 or 100-100. Like it's so educational and
Yeah.
the networking is so effective. Like look at the room. The room is really nice. It's big as hell. You have all these people. Everybody was nice as hell. Everybody has the same goals in mind.
Mhm.
And you have like 9 people. You have all these speakers here that are all profitable traders, right?
Yep.
And I guarantee you that you're going to come to this conference and then you're going to see these people speak, and at least one of these traders are going to have a similar or the same trading style as you. And then you'll be able to ask questions, meet us or whatever, and talk to them and get their number, Instagram, all that type of stuff. Like it's not always what you know, sometimes it is who you know, and you just don't know what type of life changing gems that you might get going to this. I mean, I think that this conference was pretty life changing for me personally.
In-person conferences,
Yeah.
dude, they're huge. It's no matter that's why I'm such a fan of going to all of them I can. And especially when it's like you got homies there, people you know. You guys are all on
Mhm.
stream with us every day. It's like when we're there, we're not just be like, oh yeah, like you know what up. We're gonna be like kicking it, having fucking drinks, chilling, chatting, stuff. Like you guys all gotta be there. You gotta
Yeah.
just be there. You gotta cruise. You gotta cruise. Absolutely.
And I'm
So
going to put the link in the chat and go ahead and get your tickets. Come to Tampa with us. It's a great time, phenomenal time.
yeah.
Shots on Tanner and discount code strong, So
Yeah.
if you use discount code strong and you come, free shots on me and Tanner, first round. We'll do
Well,
it.
there you go. There
The
you go.
first,
You
the
said it.
first,
You said it.
the first 5 people.
Yeah. They're like, all right, we drinking shots of Class now?
Yeah, right. Pretty much. And also the lunch is provided, so don't worry about that.
Hmm.
It's in a 4-star hotel. The hotel is actually very, very nice. I'm very critical on hotels, and that one was pretty nice.
I do like the hotel
Um,
a lot. It's a good
yeah,
hotel. I really like
it
it.
is a good hotel. I
Sick.
would tell you guys if it was raunchy. So we do have discounted rooms. So if you send an email to info@asfxbiz to book, then you'll get a discount on your room as well. So discount code strong, it's about $25. And then they also do payments, so you don't have to pay it all at once. And then we also have a nice little discount for the rooms at the hotel as well. If you go ahead and send Austin an email, I'll put that in the chat as well. And yeah. So also, if you have any questions, you can also book a call too. So yeah, man, I think everybody should go ahead and click the links in the comment section, use code strong, and we will see you there.
That's the plan.
Anything else I'm missing?
No, I think you got it. It's gonna be a great 2 days.
And, oh yeah, and we're doing live trading too. They're literally
Yeah, I
trading
can
live
bring
for
that.
2 days in front of you. And
Yeah,
you can ask questions and everything. That's the crazy part.
you can literally have us help you pass combines in front of you.
Yeah,
I'll do it for you.
sure. I'll do it for you, right? Just pass me your laptop.
Yeah. 15 NQ cons, full port it, 12 points, whatever it is.
All right, let me get some feedback in the chat. Who coming? Let me know who's coming. Tell me if you're coming.
Yeah, it's almost. I think it's like 40% booked too, guys. So it's like this.
Yeah,
I know it's kind of far. I know it's kind of far, but it's just gonna keep getting booked fast. And then you guys be like, damn, I really wanted to sign up. I wish I would have signed up. We're gonna say, I told you so. That's it. Top One Futures down. It's not Top One Futures. It's AWS, About Business, which is Amazon Web Service. So anyone that uses Project X, Top Step, Top One, Lucid, Tradeify, every single prop firm, it's down for every single person. So it's not individual to the firm.
No trade day.
It's looking like it. Even I'm looking in like the Lucid updates, and they were like, want to reiterate that trading Project X accounts is right now is not a good idea considering there's a known outage. Saying so, like if it does pop up, it's still not like the best idea to trade it until it's the outage is fully done. So.
Oh, wait, no, this is back up. We're monitoring AWS outage. Some services may be degraded. Check status at status.topstep.com. Can you guys see my screen? So we're continuing to investigate the issue. We're aware that AWS outage, actively monitoring impacts on Topstep services may be degraded or not fully functional at this time. Okay, legacy dashboard. Okay, it's operational, degraded performance, new dashboard. Topstep X. Okay, so Topstep X partial outage here. Listen, I would say that when it comes to technical issues and stuff like that, just call it for the day. Like really.
Pretty much. If you because then you're like scrambling to like I've done this so many times where I'm like scrambling to like wait for my trade and then finally like it works and like it can be a mess. It can be a mess. Side note, we have a take care, comb your hair. Are you talking about me, bro? Okay, I'll comb my hair. We have a group coaching call today. So if you guys want to come check that out, if you guys aren't in the Discord, free 7-day trial. We have a coaching call today. Lawrence is hosting this one tonight, psychology-based one. It's going to be dope. I'll put the link here in the bio. But we're starting to. This past week, we got a lot of people that joined the Discord the past week. Actually, it was kind of
we did.
Pretty cool. So,
also by the way, tonight's what's it called? Tonight's session, group coaching session. Yeah, we're doing the dangers of attaching to outcomes. The dangers of attaching to trading outcomes. If you find yourself being very emotionally volatile or easily on tilt just because it was a loss, or you find yourself too happy and overconfident and euphoric because it was a win, this is a session that you need to attend for sure.
I just put the link in the chat for everyone. Go check it out.
See if I can log in. I don't think I can.
Yeah, same. Getting network timeout. I'm getting the same thing.
Yeah. So no trading day.
You know, it just might be a morning to go touch some grass, guys.
Yeah, for
It
sure.
might be one of those mornings. I told
Hmm.
you, it's always when the market's like ripping, breaking out. That's
I
how it
know,
works.
right? I'm looking at I'm looking
RTY
at
is fucking straight up right now. It's great. So bullish.
I don't know what's up with you and RTY, bro. I really don't see it. Like I just don't see it whatsoever.
It's fine, dude. Well, it just I don't see, some people like trading oil, some people like trading gold. It's just not my thing. It's fine. Doesn't mean there's anything wrong with it.
There's everything wrong with it, Tanner.
No.
Everything.
I got homies trading
Everything.
the DAX. You know what the DAX is? Fucking
I heard of the DAX, but what is that? What is that? I heard of it though.
it's like Euro futures. It's a German, I think it's like the German like Euro futures basically.
Okay.
Um People trade that. You got to think London session reps in that. I got a client in the UK that trades the DAX. It's good
Have
at
you
it.
ever traded it?
No, personally not, but I don't think that's anything wrong with it as long as you know what you're looking for and what you're trading. So
Yeah. Yeah. I feel that.
I just got an abusive relationship with RTY. It's just the difference.
Yeah.
You know,
Very
that's what Tom trades.
very
Yeah, the DAX.
toxic.
Yeah, yeah, that's what Tom trades. Tom trades the DAX. Yeah. Jay, I don't know if you saw, but we don't have any Project X stuff working. So definitely, if it starts to work for you, just make sure it's actually fully working. Don't get yourself in a pickle. So other than that,
Let me tell everybody.
yeah, my shit's down. Yeah, it's not working. Not gonna trade. Yep. Maybe go get some coffee. I got a chiropractor appointment in a couple hours. I might make an early breakfast. What else I got? Got a couple coaching calls today. It's leg day.
Leg day is so painful.
It's leg day. It is. It is a leg day.
Okay, let me send this to the chat.
It will fuck up your flow. Yep, that's a good one.
Oh shit. Okay.
How's your weekend, Lawrence?
Uh, it was a weekend.
All right.
Yeah, it was a weekend.
All right.
Yeah.
Do anything?
Um, Not really. I did go to this one spot. It was really good. It's called Uptown 66. It's so fire, bro.
Oh, I think I've heard of that. Is
It's
that or
good, bro.
is like a little? Is like a I don't know, like a family kind of family owned, but like bougie ish, like
Mexican
not
spot.
Mexican. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
Mexican spot. Nice.
Mm-hmm. That shit's fire, bro.
Yeah. Yo, tomorrow. You know what tomorrow is?
Tomorrow's October 20th. Oh, your 6 year anniversary.
Tomorrow's my 6-year anniversary, dude.
You see how I knew that?
Wow, dude. Just like you know, that's a true friend, true business partner. Wow.
Yeah.
I don't even think my girlfriend knows tomorrow's my 6th year. No. 6 years
I'm
of
one up.
trading
Oh yeah,
tomorrow,
yeah. Hey,
guys.
one up on Brooke.
Yeah, one of them, bro.
One.
6
Brooke is
years,
zero.
bro. 6
Brooke
fucking years of
0.
trading, dude. 6 years of trade. 6 years ago, on October 21st, 2019, I made my first journal entry after quitting my job. I remember writing day one. I still have all the journals.
Yeah, I got mine too.
Literally said day one. I remember I was so excited. I was like, here we go, full-time trading. Let's do it. Time to do it. And I was red. First day I was red.
Red as fuck.
I was like, fuck. All right, here we go.
I used to. What was the first broker you used? My first broker was Robinhood, then Tasty Trades, and then Thinkorswim.
I never used Tasty Trades. I was always a Thinkorswim guy, like kind of from the get-go. And like a Robinhood also. I think Robinhood to buy stocks, I think. Robinhood I placed my first options play on. And then I eventually moved over to Thinkorswim. And then Thinkorswim, when they went free with commissions for a bunch of people, they had like a period where it was pretty slow and shitty with fills. and I
Hmm.
switched over to Trade Station in the
I
meantime.
heard of Trade Station.
And I wonder if this Apple's actually going to go. I'm just curious.
It looks like it is.
Trade Station was good. Trade Station is a direct to exchange broker, meaning there's no middleman or anything. It literally gets routed right to the exchange, all your orders. So for trading
Mhm.
options like fast and day trading them, it was really, really good. But I didn't use it too long. The commissions are really expensive. And then also I was like, dude, I'm not ripping fucking hundreds of contracts. This is kind of stupid. Like, it's
Yeah.
like it's a waste of money. So,
Yeah.
it was just one of those things where I didn't stick with it too long. And now Thinkorswim is fine, dude. People that complain about fills and Thinkorswim, I'm like, all right, well, if you're trading that much size, I get it. Go trade with like Lightspeed or something like that.
Yeah, Thinkorswim. I think Thinkorswim is like top two, top three best brokerages. I know
Just
that my dumb ass, when I was trading fucking tasty trades, I would like manually go to the option trade, the option chain, and like make it like a limit order, and then I was just, bro, I
yeah,
didn't do the active trader thing. Basically, what I'm saying, it was
yeah.
just so crazy.
I wonder if you can see. Can you guys see this? No, you can't see this. Hold on. No.
Oh, somebody has a busy day today.
You?
Yeah.
Here's where I'm with this, guys. Check this out. I wonder if you can see window. You can see. Cool. It's kind of cool. Okay. So this little option chain down here.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was doing right
Yeah.
there.
So I got this position open here. I got the 270 calls in Apple. They do have earnings next week. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna hold this through earnings. I know it's a gamble. It's a gamble. I get it.
I mean, you already took a lot of your profits, so
I
it's
know. I
all
took a
good.
lot of my profits. I re-entered on this one November 21st. Because if we I don't know, the way this is consolidating, bro, this thing's been consolidating. It's like, fuck, man. I just feel like this thing's gonna rip into the sun. I feel like this thing wants 300s. Like, honestly,
I mean, it's Apple.
the way it is, especially reacted to any pullbacks recently down
Mhm.
here. Look at this, dude. This is crazy. Oops. This shit. Look at this. It's like sideways bullish consolidation. One attempt to go lower, holds all of it right back up the highs.
Yeah,
That's bullish, bro.
that's
That's
that's very bullish.
bullish, 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 bullish.
Look at
So
this. Look at my screen. This is the weekly.
let's see. Let me pull it up. Yeah, bro. That's what I'm talking
There's
about.
nothing in the way.
There's
There's
nothing in
literally
the way. It
nothing in
wants
the
it.
way.
You give this one catalyst, it's gonna gap into the sun, dude. It's gonna literally that's
Yeah.
why I brought the 270 calls. I was like, all right, basically a 10-point gap. I was like, that's less, that's like 5%, if that, not even 5%.
Fucking
Those are
Tesla. Tesla calls. Go for
every time.
highs. We got a nice little pullback here. Tesla calls.
Yeah.
All-time highs. Fucking Netflix is going right. Oh, this is bullish.
Dude, Netflix just wants to go.
Ooh, this is bullish. Do you see this?
Yeah, I do.
That's the Lawrence model right there, baby.
It's the Lawrence model right there. That is the Lawrence
That's
model right
it.
there.
That's the Lawrence model
Lawrence.
right there. Look at that. Uptrend, boom. We going to the moon.
Ooh, Apple's trying. Oh my god, it's trying. It's trying. It's trying. It's trying. Is it doing it? It's gonna do it. 260 point whatever we need. Over 260s. It's all-time highs for Apple. You guys are witnessing history.
Witnessing history.
One of the 17 times Apple's made new all-time highs.
Right.
260.10. 260.10. Let's get it. What if we live streamed options, dude?
That would be cool. We could do that.
Cool. Damn, my calls are up $2,000 on these calls. We're up 70%. See, this is what's going to be tough. I'm going to be like, do I sell some of these before earnings if it starts just going?
How many contracts do you have?
I have 10 of them.
10 contracts. I mean, I think that $2,000 ain't going to make or break your. What's that percentage of your return your annual return? Because I mean, if that's not,
I mean, I don't
if
know.
it's
That's
not much,
growing every year, bro.
I mean, it's the fourth,
I'm
it's
putting
the
out the
fourth
post
quarter,
tomorrow.
so
I'm putting out the post tomorrow for my my 6 year. But I looked, and like between payouts and options, I've made about $200,000 trading this year, which is like
oh yeah, then keep it.
phenomenal. Yeah, I feel like
That's 1%.
1%. Yeah, I might as well risk it for the biscuit.
Right.
You know. Oh, this thing's trying, dude. Is it gonna do it?
For everybody who heard that, this man made $200,000 this year, and he will be in Tampa in May in person to answer all questions
I'll teach you all how
while
to
having
full port.
while having an old fashioned in his hand. So he'll spill all the secrets. Get him drunk, he'll
Maybe
spill
I
the
will do
secrets.
that. That's the cool. That's what I love about our events with Austin and stuff. I can do anything I want, dude. I could suck a blunt in the middle of the event if I wanted to. The hotel might not like it, but
Yeah, the hotel probably won't like that at all.
I wouldn't do that either way. I would be retarded up there. Dude, is this gonna hit all-time highs? We're gonna see it. Where you show you how to pin trend, Alex. I've never pinned trend. I'm afraid of trend, bro. That one has too many mental side effects. I'm like actually afraid.
Jesus, mental side effects is crazy, brother.
Oh yeah, dude. Trend makes people like fucking like anxious and this like psychotic, and steroids affect a lot of your mental, dude. Usually in a good way. For me, it's in a good way, like a lot of positive. If you have a good like, just imagine you're just a well greased up machine and your brain's firing perfectly on like a level like way up here. But obviously, if you abuse it, you know, you start to get mental side effects of like other stuff, you know.
I want to be a greased up machine.
Well, you already popped out a baby, dude. You should pin up.
Yeah.
Man, we got so close here. Look at this 87.
Can't pull out of a driveway.
Do we see all-time highs?
PayPal fucking sucks.
I know. What's it doing? Is it red?
No, it's not red. I mean, it's not too far from being red.
It might have to come down one more time, dude, before it goes up, unfortunately.
It's gay.
I'm still holding it, but
Me too. Damn, Drew.
Yeah.
Really, Drew? Really, Drew? That's where we're going today? on this no news Monday, Drew? That's what okay. Violence
But man,
is the selection
violence.
of choice. Violence is the choice of the week.
My wife must be up.
My goodness. Let's play some Kendrick Lamar. Violence, brother. That's what we're doing here.
Oh man, dude. That is funny.
That's how I mean, at least we know for sure his wife is not watching.
I'm bored, man. No Project X. I know. I'm bored. There's the pullback. Who never got it. All-time highs. It teased us.
Yeah, a little liquidity there. Smack it back down. Pull back. Come back up.
Smacking it back.
Smack shit.
Yep. All right. It's been 30 minutes. I think we're just gonna call it. I just obviously not. I can't do anything. Literally, physically can't do anything. Is what it is. I'm gonna make some breakfast. I'm gonna go to my chiropractor appointment and get adjusted. And then I'm gonna have some coffee and do a little bit of reading.
What? You read?
I read every day. I try to read every day. Just a little bit. I'm not like I'm like a 10-pager dude. I can read 10, I can do 10 pages and be like, oh, I'm committing to reading this book. It might take me months, but I can do it.
It'll take you about a month and 10 days, because that's pretty good. 10 pages a day is actually really good.
I think it was my second year trading. I was really good about this habit when I started to trade full time, because I didn't have any other businesses and strong trading wasn't a thing yet. I remember I read a book a month by doing basically just 10 pages a day, or like, give or take, like depending on how many it was.
You might go over some days if you're really into it.
Yeah, and that was great. It was a great year. I was like, damn, dude, I read 12 books this year, and they're all like personal development books, trading books. I learned a lot. It was really cool. It was a great year. So now I
Yeah,
try my best to still, just get those 10 pages in. Obviously, it really helps if you like the book you're reading for sure. Like that's
absolutely.
the thing.
That's one thing about Naval, right? Ravikant.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah,
Oh my
so
god, the almanac.
yeah, exactly. That's a
Oh,
great
I
book. But
love
he was
that.
saying in one of his interviews is like when you read a book, don't be afraid to skip around. Don't be afraid to jump around, read one book and then also read another book and jump, chapters and shit like that. Like don't be afraid to do that. And if there's a book that you don't necessarily like, then toss that shit. Don't waste too much time on it. But starting last week, I am doing 2 chapters a day. But there was this one year, I think it was like 2021 or something like that, I
Mhm.
think. And that's when I quit my job for the first time. And I had a whole year to myself because I was living in my mom's basement. And that's when I finally got unplugged from the Matrix, bro. And that year, I probably read at
Yeah.
least, I'm not lying to you, I would read a book probably I'll read like one book every 2 weeks, bro. I'm not shit. I'm not playing with you, bro.
Bro, you
Like,
got the classic story that's sick, unplugged from the Matrix in your mom's basement. like,
yeah, bro. I
like
was a trader in my
literally,
mom's
that's
basement,
the
bro.
classic. I love those stories, dude. It's just
Yeah.
crazy looking at. That's why like my post tomorrow that I'm gonna post. Like it's kind of lengthy, but I think it's really cool because I made the caption transparently showing everything I've gone through. I'll share it with you guys here actually, since we're kind of just I wrote it down.
Real
And
quick, how old were you when you moved out of your parents' place?
I moved to Santa Barbara for college when I was, God, 19. And then I did move back in with my parents after I graduated for like 6 months. So from when I was 23, I lived with them for like 6 months. And then I just moved back into I moved in a house with a bunch of buddies.
That's what's up.
So yeah. All right. Check this out. This is kind of cool. I'll show this with you guys super quick and then we'll call it. Okay. Hopefully I can't see too much shit. Okay. Can you guys see this? No, wait, no. Now you can. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So you can see. So basically,
Nice.
little thing I wrote. I'm sharing this tomorrow, but I think it's good transparency for all you guys to kind of see like the journey of what I've been through. So tomorrow's my 6-year trading anniversary. So my journeys look like this, and I did like literally a year breakdown, everything. So year 1 to 2, learning stage. Quit my cozy corporate salary job and went to bartending at night in order to pursue trading full-time schedule during the day. I only lost money these first 2 years, roughly $50,000 of total losses. Year 3, finally profitable.
Jeez.
But don't get it twisted. I was barely able to live still. I was making 3 to 4K a month trading and still worked at the restaurant at night, but started to slowly dwindle down my days as trading started to replace my income. Tail end of this year, I started the coaching of like the basics basically to like a few people, which brought in a little bit of extra money. Year 4, more ups and downs, but more ups than downs. Started making 6 to 7K in a month trading, basically quit working at the restaurant altogether, started dialing coaching a lot more and see students get results from how I coach process back-end based work. Put myself out there more and more, went to in-person trading events, cough, cough, go to them, and networked like a madman. Coaching business brought in a few grand per month now. My first 6-figure year of my life made $132,000. Year
Nice.
5, the breakout. Started to really understand my edge in the market and what made sense to me as a trader. Went all into my brand, met some amazing people who've helped me grow, realizing consistent months of $15,000 to $20,000 on average in profits from just trading, some bigger, give or take. Coaching business really grew and brought on another coach to help me. Shout out Lawrence. Started
What
doing
up?
affiliate marketing between both coaching and affiliate marketing, bringing in another 15 grand on average per month, bringing it to all where I am now. Year 5 was truly my breakout year as a trader and entrepreneur. As I currently write this caption out in October of 2025, I've made roughly $400,000 year to date, with almost exactly half of that being payouts from prop firms and swing trading options. The other half has been a mixture of my coaching business and affiliate marketing and building my brand as an entrepreneur. I'm not writing this to brag whatsoever, because those who have been following me know I've been on this journey and transparent about it from the beginning. Trading and pursuing your own thing is fucking hard. I'm simply putting this out there to show that with enough commitment and time, it is possible to make it working for yourself. Thanks to everyone who always supports my content, my journey. Keep fucking going. That's my story, guys. That is it. That is
Mic
it.
drop.
Mic drop. So I think it's gonna be a cool little thing to share tomorrow. But I don't know. I think it's a good perspective because a lot of people don't see stuff like the years. Like, yeah, I'm in year fucking going on 6 years now, right? It's like, but people don't see like the fucking 5 years and remember everything you went through. And then a lot of people aren't transparent about how much money they're making in those too. So I was like, this would be cool to kind of like put it all out there, be honest with everyone, showcase the journey. So, you know, so I think it would be cool to kind of, I don't know, go over that. But look at that, Chan. Chan, I fucking love you, Chan. I want to get you on stream, Chan. You're the man. God bless you. I've learned a lot from Chan. Chan's a great trader and always just supporting Brian, Charles, Jay. Thanks, guys. Well, that's my little sappy thing that I wanted to showcase with you guys and share.
Good shit,
Other
man.
than
I'm proud of
that,
you.
thank you, Lawrence. I appreciate you. You're crushing it too, dude. I know you fucking You've taken over. I think you've taken more payouts than me this year because you had that insane month. But I might catch you this month in October. Knock on head, knock on wood. I'm trying not to.
No, bro. I don't know. I'd be careful.
What's your target for this month?
Well, my target for this
Not
month.
target. I'm sorry. What's realistic? So you got to remember, I got 2 fucking top steps, 20K and 10K, just sitting as an ATM. So I'm gonna pull out 20 grand out of that alone.
Oh, this month or next month?
This month.
No, you probably got me this month, maybe, but I think you probably got me this month. Next month, I can't, you know, I can't guarantee you'll have that one.
All right, we'll see.
But now my next year, 2026, my goal, like it sounds crazy, but I think I can do it, like full-heartedly do it. My goal next year is to make half a M.
I think you can
in
do
payouts. In payouts. Yeah,
I think you can do it. It's like it's totally possible once you know how to scale with like enough firms too, and like how to pull it out. You know, it really like that's so my goal this month. I don't want to fucking jinx it, but whatever. I don't care. If
manifested.
I can, yeah, I'm manifesting. I'm not jinxing. If I can do it, I think it's like this will be my biggest payout month of like over 40 grand in payouts.
That's dope.
Yeah, so I'm like, shit. I'm like, what might be my big goal this month? And it would line up perfectly with the fucking 6-year anniversary. When I left my corporate job, I was making $70,000 a year. And between all my income this month from everything, I'm on track to do 70 grand in 1 month. So I'm like, fuck, dude, that'll be so cool if I can do that, bro.
Corporate.
Fuck the Matrix.
Corporate.
Fuck the Matrix, bro.
Yeah.
That'll be
I'm
super
telling you.
cool. Yeah. So.
Yeah, bro. So that's because this year for me was really that whole one trade a day thing. I think that has really helped me a lot with my system. Like your 5th year, when you were talking about on your 5th year, that's when you really like dialed in on your system and you knew what it was. And now we're at this point where we're really defining it and sharpening it. I think that one trade a day situation for me the past couple months has really been that to a point where I can master this one setup. That's why I'm so confident. Next year, I'm like, okay, my goal is to do half a mil, like do 500,000 is my goal. And even if I don't hit it, which we're not thinking about that, but if I don't, I'm gonna land on some stars along the way, going for that.
Exactly, bro. I think that's what's super cool. And it's so funny. I used to always tell this to people too, that like people that supported me, and this is how I knew real ones in my life. I'd be like, bro, I'm struggling, just scraping by. I was like, but what's gonna happen is I'm gonna have a year all of a sudden where you blink and I make fucking 300 grand or like 400 grand. I was like, literally, that's what it's gonna happen. And like basically that's exactly what happened this year. It's crazy. I'm like, oh shit. Like, you know, so oh my god, look at this, Jay. 31 years old and quit my 6-figure sales job at the end of last year to pursue trading full-time. Currently working at a restaurant myself to lock in with trading.
Oh,
fuck yeah, dude. Literally just like me. Like, I love that. That's fucking sick.
Oh my god.
What happened?
I think I fell for some bullshit.
What'd you do? You get scammed, dude?
I think I did.
With what?
Not scammed, but I think I almost got tricked.
With what?
Oh, that was a good one.
What'd you do?
Basically, somebody sent me an email and that shit said Coinbase, and I use Coinbase every day, and it said that somebody logged into my account.
Oh, no, 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 no,
Yeah,
no, 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 no,
this
no,
was good though. It almost had me, but this is
no,
good.
no. Yeah, almost got you. But
This was
Jay,
good.
shout out you, Jay. Working in a restaurant was like literally, that's the hack, dude. Anything you can do at night, because you can make good money working in a restaurant. You could make, at least here in California, you work at a decent restaurant, you make 6 figures a year doing it, easy.
Yeah, for sure.
Like, it's, you can probably do it a lot of places too. It just depends on demographic and location, hours, type of restaurant, all that type of stuff. But I think restaurant is awesome schedule wise for a trader. Pretty much gives you exactly what you need in the developing era. That's why I did it. Literally, I was working my corporate job. I was like, fuck this. I'm going to quit my corporate job, go back to bartending at night so I could trade during the day full time. And I did that for, God, 2 to 3 years at least. So,
That's what me and Thomas was talking about. That's what Thomas does. Thomas is a server, and I told him, I was like,
yeah.
bro, that's so fucking clutch, bro, because you just
Yeah.
make so much money off of tips, and
Yep.
then you work at night, you wake up in the
Yep.
morning, go ahead and trade, sleep for the rest of the day, or do whatever you do, and then go back to work at night. That's how you break out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is, in Jay. It is fun working in a restaurant. Honestly, as long as you have a decent
Yeah,
restaurant,
hell yeah.
I liked it, dude.
I
I'll tell
love
you
that
right
shit.
now. One of my goals. I talk about this with Brooke actually, because she fucking private chef and cooks and stuff like that. I'm like, one of my goals I literally wrote down on my life like goals list is I want to own a tap room one day. So you guys know me, I fucking love like craft
So
beer and stuff like that. So
mhm.
I'm like, oh, I want a cool little sick ass little tap room. Has a kitchen with some cool eats. She can run the kitchen, do all that shit. I can fucking run all the beers. It's like my passion project. When I'm like in my like late 40s, early 50s. I'm like, whatever. Let's fucking start a tap room. Not gonna make me a fucking baller, but I'm like, I want to do that one day, dude. Because I love the restaurant industry. I really do. And I know how it works. I worked in it for so long. Yeah,
Yeah, I love the
Chan.
restaurant industry.
It's like facts, man. I need a little pizzeria or some shit. Yeah, exactly, bro. It's just cool, man. Like to have, I don't know, it's a good social aspect and you can build it how you want and they're not fucking crazy money makers. You'll be stoked if you make probably 100 grand off it a year, but fuck it. It's a
It's a
passion
passion
project.
project, bro.
Yeah. And you employ some people, you help some people make some money. That was huge for me growing up, dude. Working at a restaurant and getting tips, watching all my other friends make like minimum wage, but like I was ripping like fucking $40 an hour, when I was
Yeah.
young. I'm like, oh shit, dude. That was cool.
Honestly, I wouldn't. I'm thinking, there was a point in time when I thought about getting like a serving job just because, bro, all the people that I used to meet, like, imagine if I get like, because I thought about, it, I was like, damn, if I get a serving job like in Fort Lauderdale or like North Miami or something like that
Mhm.
near the beach, like, and then I trade in the morning and then I serve, I can meet a bunch of people. And then you got to think about the people you work with. A lot of
Yeah.
servers are just naturally outgoing and fun. So after, like, when I used to be
Yeah.
a server, after like we closed, bro, we was
Oh,
drinking,
yeah.
going out, hitting the bar, going
It's
down
so
there,
much
bro. It
fun,
was a good
dude.
time, bro. It was
Especially
fun.
like the restaurant I worked at, dude. We were allowed to like take beer shots during the shift. Like I'd have like a sipper beer all the time, just kind of cruising, chilling. Oh, it was so much fun.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
so much fun. I love
I did like that shit, bro. I might end up doing, don't be surprised if I tell you, bro, I got a job on like at a beach bar or
it.
something like that, bro. Cause I
I
might
work.
fuck around and do it.
Yeah, I
Work
could
like
see you like,
Thursday
oh,
through
I work.
Sunday.
Yeah, like work one day a week. You'd probably be
Yeah.
exhausted Thursday through Sunday, but like you work one day a week, 2 days a week, or something like that. Yeah, it's fun, dude. It's not
That
fun.
would be fun, bro. And then on top of that, you get a little, like, think about it. Imagine trade. Everybody imagine this. Imagine trading, and then you bring home money every single night. So therefore, it takes the edge off of trading so well because you're
Yeah.
bringing home money, and so therefore you trade
Yeah.
even better. Just think
Yeah.
about that.
See, Jay says his restaurant is one of the highest, one of the richest areas in Houston. A lot of high clientele. Yeah, customer networking is the biggest benefit. What restaurant,
Jay,
bro?
you own a restaurant, bro? I'm gonna have
No,
to
it's
go.
no, he doesn't own it. He said he works there. He works in the restaurant.
Okay. I'm about
Um,
to say, all right, I
what
feel you.
what restaurant? I've been to Houston a few times. I've been out to I've literally done like two. One of my first times actually went to Houston ever. I went on a solo trip to go out to Alpha Land to lift. I was like, oh, I'm gonna cruise out there. So that was cool. So I know Houston a little bit. Houston's dope. Um, is it 10? I wonder if it's 10. Have you been to 10, Jay? I'm going there on Friday. We have one. There's two. There's only two tens. You would love 10, by the way, Lawrence. I gotta take next time you come to California, I gotta take you here. It's
Okay.
fucking it's like It's like a really like sick like cocktail bar, sushi bar, and it's so fucking fire, dude. It's like it's my favorite. They have one in Irvine here, not too far from me, and they have another one in Houston. Man,
Mhm.
you'll see on Friday. I'm gonna go there on Friday because I just like celebrate my 6-year trading anniversary with Brooke, and
Yeah.
I'm a fucking rip the sickest sushi rolls and sashimi and old fashions, and oh, it's gonna be delicious. I can't wait.
Yeah,
So,
that's what's up. Bro, these TTD calls are actually legit. Like, I'm
are
so
they
happy I got
are
into
they ripping? I
TTD.
haven't looked today. Let me
Yeah,
pull it up.
let me show you. One
I'll
second.
pull up.
We should not trade more often, bro. I like this conversation.
I know it was cool. I feel no stress or
Yeah.
pressure. Damn, this thing's ripping, dude.
You see this shit?
TTD. Yeah, look at this fucking 5 minute chart, dude. This shit's straight up.
Bro, I got in like around right here, bro.
Wow,
Yeah, I got in like around right there, bro. And
incredible,
they're leaps, so they don't expire until September 2026.
dude. You might be sitting on some fucking fire right now because you know what you'll
Yeah.
get at least at a bare minimum. I think here, I think you'll get a retest of the bottom or the top of the gap,
The top of the
57.
yeah. What right here?
Or
Oh,
the
57.
daily, yeah,
Oh, the daily. Let me look at the daily.
because the daily is a giant ass gap.
Oh yeah, yeah. I think we're
Just
gonna fill
just
that.
the retest of 57, and you have that huge gap obviously to work with eventually to work through. But
Oh
you
yeah,
got
all this.
57 there, and then the 200 period moving average is at 70. It's another good
Yeah.
target.
I'm
So
trying to go for the gold. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I know you
This is my
are.
first
You
profit
should.
target right here.
Yeah, I think you should, bro. I mean, when are they? They're 2027s.
2026, September 2026.
Okay, yeah, milk that shit, dude. Milk that shit. Thing is ripping. Ripping.
It is.
PayPal is a piece of shit, bro.
PayPal's ass. It will never see the likes of my money fucking again. It'll never see me ever again. It
Maybe you
will
just needed this one
never
more
see me.
manipulation. Who knows? Maybe you just needed one more manipulation to go higher. We honestly got to wait for earnings, and this is going to be a tough one for sure, bro.
It is because
It's
this
going to
doesn't
be a
look too. It's not
really.
bad, but
It's just taking too long, dude. How's the monthly look?
when you got to go to the monthly, that's how you know some shit is crazy.
That's how you know you're kind of fucked.
Yeah, this isn't bad. It can reclaim this wick right here.
Yeah, I guess
It can
so.
it can reclaim that,
It's just fucking.
and then from there break out, go higher at least. You got a little level right there at least. Yeah, it could. I mean, it could go.
This thing has been accumulating though for so long, dude. Like,
I know. I remember this shit crashing like during the pandemic or after the pandemic. When was this
yeah,
last summer?
dude.
Yeah,
Yep,
I remember that shit.
2022. Literally beginning of 2022 was basically like towards the bottom here. So
Yeah, and you know what other stock crashed like crazy, bro?
hmm.
Fucking Zoom. Look
Yeah,
at
well,
this.
that thing went up way too high, way too fast. PayPal is like not a bad company, dude. Like, there's no reason this thing should be this cheap.
Yeah, PayPal is really decent.
It's just like
I
a
think it's
lot.
because they have like a lot of competitors too, and they probably don't have. But I don't know. Like, I
I
like
don't
PayPal a
know.
lot, man. You can
I do
buy
too. I use
crypto.
PayPal all the fucking time, dude. A bunch of people use
Yeah.
PayPal still.
And
So
whenever I
I
got to
know.
do something, if I ever got to make like a purchase and I don't trust somebody, I'm doing PayPal just in case I need to get a refund.
Yeah. See,
So
what's crazy is you would think it would be on the same track as like Shopify, because Shopify, that thing dumped hard, and then it didn't accumulate in base as long as PayPal has.
damn, look at this V-shaped reverse on Shopify,
No,
bro.
I know. Well, that's monthly. It took some time, but
Fuck. Yeah, that is. That's a couple years, bro.
yeah,
That's like 2.5 years right here.
yeah.
Well,
Wow.
all right. Well,
All right, we're gonna call it there, guys. Thanks for just hanging out with us, and it's it. I guess it's just one of those Mondays. Really can't do anything. So go enjoy it. I don't know. My head feels pretty clear. I'm like, oh, I feel like I can do it. I feel free. This is what it's
yeah,
like
me
not to
too.
trade. Like I feel
Yeah.
free.
I
Oh
don't know.
man.
I don't know. I told y'all about this.
Oh, this Airbnb.
I don't know, bro. It might be one.
I don't know. Once PayPal comes back from the dead, I'll debate it.
But
I
all right,
will debate it.
everybody.
All right.
You guys be
Go
easy.
go enjoy the Monday, guys. Go do something else. So thanks for hanging out with us. Though that's it.
Watch this.
Come to the boot camp. Join Strong Trading. Use code STRONG for top 1 futures. There you go. There's all the promos. All right. See you guys.